Mike from Mike and MJ's RV Adventures. Today we're at a dispersed camping area below,
I think it's Big River
Mackay.
or Lost River.
We're below Mackay Reservoir in the spillway on the Big Lost River.
Okay.
Right over here is a pretty nice camping area. You get a big rig in here. And throughout this area there makes a couple loops. There's bathrooms, handicap accessible. There's no water.
And this is free 14-day.
Yes, free 14-day. This is a National Forest campground.
And right there's the river. Anything else you have to say?
There's no dump, no water, just camping.
Okay.
Some firewood if you need it.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing right now, getting some firewood for our camp. So like and subscribe.
And there's some little sites all back through here you can camp in. And it's free. I believe it's 14 days here.
Yes.
There's the beautiful river, Lost River.
But now we found it.
There's camping all back through here.
We have concrete picnic tables.
Right.
Fire pits. Bathrooms.
More of Lost River. And there's a nice little camp spot right along the river, dispersed camping. The road goes out. Right there's an outhouse. It's really pretty back here. It's about 2 miles below Joe T. Fellini Campground, National Forest Campground. So there's, I believe there's dispersed camping above the campground and below the campground. So you could camp for free if you don't want to pay. That's it for now. We'll see you all later. Please like and subscribe. And this is the upper Lost River. And there's some dispersed camping down here as well. Mike, you've done some fishing down here, haven't you?
Yeah, I haven't caught any yet. They're in there. I'm just a bad fisherman, or maybe I'm just a bad fisherman.
I don't think so. I've been with you when you've caught lots. Maybe this is just fished out.
Yeah, this is a pretty popular place.
This is, I believe, 14 days free camping down here.
The roads aren't too bad. I mean, you could get a camper down here. Maybe not a 30-footer.
Right. And someone is camping down there.
Yep.
You can see they're right up against the dam. there's a boat.
I think that went the wrong way.
Uh-uh. And we'll take a little walk and show you something.
Oh, it's not 14 days. It's 10 days.
Okay, sorry everyone, it's 10-day free camping. Stay tuned. And we're at the base of the dam. Such a pretty place here. Take you for a little walk. Maybe somebody down here fishing. I don't want to disturb them if there is, but I'd like to show you something real pretty. Yep, there's someone fishing there. We'll check it out later.